Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Margaret L. And I've already opened the box because I didn't have enough room on my desk to put a big, gigantic box. So we're gonna dig right into what she has sent. Some things I won't show because I want to keep that private, and other things I will show. Okay, so here we go. First off, we have some candy for taste testing. And sorry for the crinkling, but that's just the way it goes. There's 3 different candies. There's this one. There's this one. And there's this one. They're all different. This is a, I don't know how to pronounce it. Kappa KAPA dash KYM. And then we have, this is coffee candy. I don't know. It's from not this country, so. And this is a POMAWKA candy. And those are the 3 that is in this bag that I will be taste testing. And then we have some clips. And I like the little tin. So here's some clips. I'll be using those. Then we have this napkin ring. I have another one, but I can't seem to remember where I put it. I will put a picture of it at the end of the video. Look at that, how pretty. I got an idea for that. And then we have these 4 pieces of fabric, but they're called napkins. They are fabric napkins. And as soon as I can figure out where to open this, I can show you guys. See how I label all my stuff? And I make my own labels. Okay. This is gonna get kind of confused. There we go. I found it. Okay. Now I'm gonna preserve the bag. We have gold. And they're big. And very, very sheer, as you can see. But they're napkins with sequins on them. Uh-oh. I'll take care of that later. There's this one, the gold one. And I'm gonna try and fold them to where I can put them back in the bag. Then we have a teal one. Aren't they gorgeous? I have ideas to use for them. Then we have it in black and also in purple. I don't want to open all of them because it's the the sequins will fall off, and I want to be able to preserve the sequins on them, and I have a way that I'm going to do that. And if I can remember, I will try, sorry for the crinkling, I will try to do a video on it. Okay, so we got that. And then she sent me 2 more notebooks. Ideas for that. I got good ideas for those. And then a planner sticker book, which I plan to do my videos for planners again. Then we have this beautiful fabric, and I love peacocks. Oh man, do I ever love peacocks. Oh, these are napkins. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Well, we got sequin fabric napkins and we got peacock fabric napkins. What? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. Ladies, watch the videos. Because I have ideas in my head as I'm seeing all this. And they're going to go in my project book, planner book, whenever I'm done. So we have that. We also have a doggy book. It's a life magazine, but it's all about dogs. And I have a good idea of what I'm gonna do with this book. It's all about it's all about the doggies. And then let me move this out because this one is super gorgeous. We have this one, and ta-da! It is a peacock. It's a peacock statue, but there's a little secret. It opens up and it's magnetic. This I won't be altering. No, 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 no. That's gonna go in my curio cabinet. I will be altering the box, however. So, we'll see what comes up with the box. She also sent me some napkins that I won't be showing. So, we have the peacock. We also have the napkin ring. And I will be taking photos of all of this to the end of the video. Okay, we have the napkins here. We have the sticker book. We have the doggy book. We have the 2 notebooks. The other sequin fabric napkins. And we have the little quilting pins. So, ladies and gents, my crafty angels, I would like to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when a new video is coming. Also, be caring, be kind, be loving, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels. Stay tuned for photos.